Alright guys, so today I wanted to do a unboxing of the ATEM POWER 10 amp MPPT Solar Charge Controller. Basically, these are essential if you're running any sort of solar setup, because you don't want to ever plug in a solar panel directly in your battery. That might cause explosions, fires, and other horrible things to happen. This is basically what goes in between the solar panel and your battery. You just want to have one of these there to make sure you don't overload your battery or anything. So let's get into it. Alright, so it comes with a little coupler right here. And here is the charge controller itself, and just from initial impressions, like, wow, this thing that's built pretty tough, and you know, I would feel comfortable putting this in my engine bay. Yeah, so really cool thing right here is this is a selector for whatever different kind of battery you're running. So you know, yeah, that button feels pretty good too. Nice. Yeah, so this will let you select what kind of battery you're plugging this into. You know, lead acid, AGM, calcium, or LiPo. And these connectors right here are looking pretty good too. Awesome. Comes with a nice little cover. Yep. So, nice manual as well. Yep. Here we go. Here's your warnings over here. Basically, you know, I would read through this. It's probably important. It is important. All right. Pretty cool. This looks like this will tell you when it's got a full charge. All three indicators will be lit. And if there's a abnormal voltage, it looks like it will flash. All three little LEDs right there will flash. These guys. Yep. Then here's the important information right here. Your battery voltages. And of course, if you're doing a LiPo battery, you know, you're going to want to do the lithium battery activation. Pretty good instruction manual here. This is much appreciated. But one of the things that I think is really cool about this guy is it got a limit of 250 watts according to the instruction manual. So that means you can get 250 watts of solar plugged into this to charge your battery with, and that's honestly more than enough, because when I'm out camping, I only have a 100-watt solar panel. I usually only get 50 watts, and even that is enough to keep my fridge nice and charged, maybe charge a phone for sure. Let's see, it's even got the information here on the back, so that's pretty cool. Battery voltage, your max solar input, current, max power right there, like we're talking about, 250 watts. I'd feel pretty comfortable using this as maybe a battery maintainer for my car battery. I could just mount a solar panel onto the hood. Or if I really wanted to have solar right up in my tent itself for USB ports, all that, and maybe have a small battery up in the tent. Yeah. Now this is very high quality item. I mean, I like to think that if the buttons feel good, the rest of this is probably pretty good too. So yeah, that is the ATEM Power 10 amp MPPT Solar Controller. I'll post another video when I get this all rigged up, but initial impressions would say that this thing is pretty dang high quality. So thanks for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe.